Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your Mac. Now for this, open App Store on your computer and then in the search box over here type in WhatsApp and then you can click on WhatsApp over here. So here you can see WhatsApp Messenger. Click on download over here. Now once the download is complete, you can open it or you can even go to Launchpad and you can find WhatsApp and then you can launch WhatsApp. Now once WhatsApp is open, you can click on continue and you can enter your details over here. You can open WhatsApp on your phone, go to settings on iPhone or menu on Android, tap link devices and then link a device. Point your phone at the screen to scan the QR code. Keep both apps in open and connected to the internet and you should be able to log in. So this is how you can download, install and use WhatsApp on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.